Across the frozen lake, we place our feet where they have never been.
We walk upon the unwalked, but we are uneasy. Who is down there but our teachers?
On this propitious occasion, as we celebrate Teachers' Day at the outset, on behalf of all the students, we are elated to wish all our dear teachers a very happy Teachers' Day.
To mark this day more delightful and marvelous, we call your attention to this colorful program. So let's gear up for the beautiful start of the show.
Beginning with classical steps, invoking God's presence to our midst.
Dear Mother Jinsi, our manager,
loving teachers,
non-teaching staff,
we the students of Standard 10
wish you all
a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers have an influencing role in the life of every student.
they are like beacon of light, guiding us in the formative years of our life.
Teachers mold us and in the process they shape our future.
What we learn from our teachers remains with us throughout our life.
Teachers do need encouragement and support from the community to feel that their efforts are being recognized.
to serve this purpose. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September throughout the country.
Teachers, I believe, are the most responsible and important member of the society because their professional efforts affect the fate of the earth, says Helen Caldicott.
The dream begins with the teacher who believes in you, who tugs, pushes and leads you to the next plateau, sometimes poking you with a sharp stick called truth, says Dan Rather.
The task of the excellent teacher is to stimulate apparently ordinary people to unusual efforts. The tough problem is not in identifying winners, it is in making winners out of ordinary people, says Patricia Cross.
The Guru must be worshipped as God. He is God. He is nothing less than that, says Swami Vivekananda.
Ideal teachers are those who use themselves as bridges over which they invite their students to cross. Then, having facilitated their crossings, joyfully collapse, encouraging them to create bridges of their own, says Nikos Kazantzakis.
Every great leader is a great teacher, and the greatest leaders seize every opportunity to teach well, says Albert Mohler.
Teachers should be called pillars because they fill all the gaps and crevices in a child's life. Dear teacher, thanks for making our life rounded and complete.
You have and will continue to be the great influence on us. Thank you, teachers, for all the great work you do and the huge impact you make on our life as a teacher.
All the efforts and hard works you invested to bring out the best in us can never be repaid in mere words. We can only feel grateful for having teachers like you. Thank you, dear teachers.
You have always been excellent educators who knew exactly how to illuminate souls with its own light. Thanks a million, dear teachers.
You taught us like a teacher, protected us like our parents, and guided us like a mentor. You truly deserve this day so much. We are grateful to you, dear teachers.
Thank you, dear teachers, for having a big heart and looking forward to make this world a better place with your warm and kind heart. The world needs more teachers like you.
So together with all the students, we express our love,
Respect,
Admiration,
devotion,
appreciation.
And gratitude.
once again, we wish you all
A very happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning, everyone. Today we celebrate Teachers' Day. On this occasion, we are grateful to God for giving us wonderful teachers who mold us into noble and pleasing persons. Teachers are privileged to be co-creators with God. They help us to grow in knowledge and develop our skills. They help us to inculcate values, to grow mentally, spiritually, socially, intellectually. In short, they enable us to be authentic and integrated persons. God is our supreme master and teacher through our parents who are our first teachers, and then through our teachers in the school. God instructs us in the right path, equips us with wisdom and with a sense of right values to face life and to turn out to be good citizens of our country. The task of a teacher is noble but very difficult because students from different family background with different mental abilities, different talents, capabilities, personal traits, different psychological levels sits together in the same class. Today, let us pray for all our teachers that God may shower His manifold blessings upon them. May they have the joy of knowing how divine and great is their vocation and be more and more inspired to fulfill it. I congratulate and thank the class teachers and students of Standard 10 for arranging this wonderful and beautiful program. Children, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.
से कदम लेकर जब आए थे पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को है प्यार। कंधे से कदम लेकर जब आए थे पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को है प्यार। उस टीचर को है प्यार। सच्चाई की हमेशा नहीं लगने देते हैं दाग वो झूठे का, है राह वो दिखाते सच्चाई की हमेशा नहीं लगने देते हैं दाग वो झूठे का। कंधे से कदम लेकर जब आए थे पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को है प्यार। कंधे से कदम लेकर जब आए थे पहली बार, थामी हमारी उंगली उस टीचर को है